Hi, my name is Tonya Johnson, Associate Head Coach and Recruiting Coordinator at the University of Texas and a member of the AVCA Recruiting Task Force. Today I would like to talk to you about unofficial visits and the new ruling that will go into effect immediately in regards to unofficial visits. What is an unofficial visit? An unofficial visit is any visit by a prospective student-athlete and their parents to a college campus paid for by the prospective student-athlete or their parents. When is it permissible for a prospective student-athlete to make an unofficial visit? This is the new ruling that will go into effect immediately. It is permissible for a student-athlete to take an unofficial visit starting September 1st of their junior year of high school. What time of the year is it impermissible for a prospective student-athlete to make an unofficial visit? It is impermissible to take an unofficial visit before September 1st of your junior year. It is impermissible to take an unofficial visit during a dead period. During a dead period, a college coach may not have face-to-face contact with prospective student-athletes or their parents on or off campus. Coaches may still write and telephone student-athletes or their parents during a dead period. What can a prospective student-athlete receive on an unofficial visit? The only thing a prospective student-athlete may receive from the college on your unofficial visit is 3 complimentary admissions to a home athletics contest of any sport. How many unofficial visits is a prospective student-athlete allowed to take? A prospective student-athlete may make as many unofficial visits as she must like, as long as it is after September 1st of the junior year of high school. To learn more about unofficial visits, visit the NCAA EligibilityCenter.org website.